Alkaline do not do dancehall more than go internet where think the internet and hurt the internet away. That's a different thing. Alkaline do not great in a dancehall. What great him do? We respect him as an artist. We have lyrics. Alkaline, we think Alkaline badass, you know? No.
May I represent for one Media Fox?
Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock? Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, non stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest report them?
Go on, you don't know Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man, people. This are the thing, you know. Sometimes when you wonder when you hear them when you're talking, like, if them really know about music and certain little things, bro. And we know say Nuffy a Gaza man, and when you check it, the Gaza man them not really talk nothing really with sense, you understand? But the thing is that we have to expose them, you know. The more them contradict themselves, you understand? Because them say a thing and then down the line is a different thing. Is what I try to say? Yeah, man. And we have to make the people them know what go on. You see it? Yeah, man, but we are going to play that clip, yeah? And hear what you say.
They not come to that level there. The last two set of great artists is more. Alkaline do not play dancehall more than go internet where think the internet and hurt the internet away. That's a different thing. Alkaline.
Nuffy, I did say you go wrong. I don't know what you talk about. And, brother, when since you be this creditable person for even talk about who from this and this artist and Ray and Tay, when since? Because you're Gaza man, so you're always biased to the thing, bro. You understand? So you're not really ready. You talk about Alkaline and internet thing, bro. Alkaline is the only artist when I do the social media pan a scale. Like the other artists them post more, all of them look something. Alkaline really do that. So I don't know where you talk about internet thing. You understand? I don't know where you get that from, brother. You understand? I wrong man when you talk about internet, bro. You understand? Brother, I don't know what you talk about, you know. I don't know what your terms of great mean. You understand? Because as a young little youth, where boss, zine, and an artist or nothing can on a stage or ray. The youth do himself and a dominate by himself. You understand? And after what? The youth boss like about 2012, so you see it. And by 2017, the youth are keeping big show. The youth have a lot of hit songs. If you look at youth, move so and generate him own fan base. You understand? Because majority of the artists them a Gaza thing them use for strength. You understand? Alkaline do him thing by himself, brother. That's a one thing you can't take from the youth. Is what I try to say? Remember say back in the days when artists are forward up. Zane, them never did that generator move so fast, bro. And for your youth, when an artist never did to give no strength like that from the get-go, bro. And pull them little crowd by himself with no bag of man highlighting thing or certain little thing, brother. You're wrong there, so. You understand? Yeah, we know you're Gaza, man. But when you go say Alkaline not great, bro. A madness, you say, brother. You understand? Madness. To the show them where the youth are keep and have him own a show today. You understand? Which one of them young artists here have them own a show? You can't say that, brother. You not credible if you say that, brother.
What great him do?
What you mean by what great him do? We don't understand what you talk about. What you mean by what great? The youth have him show them. You understand? As a young age, people are get employed. Must support the youth them. You understand? The youth give $1 million to the blind industry. What you talk about now great? The youth out there keep show worldwide. Worldwide new rules. UK and in the US. And you have in Canada and Jamaica. What you talk about? But not great. Now dance all that. You understand? How much artists out there have them show worldwide I keep? How much artists? Zine? Cartel just forward and just start the show, brother. Zine? A Alkaline and Popcorn. Where them man they keep them show outside of Jamaica, bro. So I don't know where you talk about great. A wrong thing you go say there, so brother. Cause be a bias you talk about.
We respect him as an artist. We have lyrics. Alkaline. What you think Alkaline but that Shane O? No.
Brother, I don't know how come Shane O drop in this. Because the song them what me know, Shane O only have like about 2 songs what me know when me say, yeah, it go on. And a Thunder, when him say Thunder Roll, way back when, and Dark Room. You understand? And if DJ Khaled never play the song or post up the song did dead but it never really get the highlight. And when DJ Khaled start play it, people start tuning into the song. You understand?
Alkaline about that Shane O in just one of fan base. Where it work out one of them artists they will catch a fan base like Movado.
Ah boy, me I tell you people, you see them money? Them money I have that. Yo. So yeah, I say yo, you know about Shane but him get fan base. So Shane O fan base is that you go say, me not understand, brother. Where you try? What the point you try make, bro? Cause I realize say una try to belittle the artist and the work with the artist put in. Zine, but you nah talk something with sense, bro. You understand?
What greatness have we can't talk no greatness about Alkaline.
Brother, if you sit down and dip on a live and I tell people say you can't see no greatness with Alkaline, brother, you're a madman, dog. For what the youth do in the industry, bro, not do that, brother. That youth carry the young generation, them, brother. You understand? The young generation, them. You see what I try to say? You have people who look up to Alkaline, bro. You see it? How much of them artists here make the moves with Alkaline and make? Zine? How much artists? As me say, Cartel just forward and I do shows. And majority of the show them on a film. Zine? He might get him bookings them because him never did a perform over so. But Alkaline out here been a do it, bro. Alkaline out here been a do him shows overseas. Him fans them a forward. What you talk about no greatness, bro? What you talk about? How much artists in a dancehall do what Alkaline do right now? With him own a show I keep all over the world. A sold out arena. And them something there, bro. How much artists? Since you talk about greatness, how much artists are do it?
If you ever talk about greatness about Alkaline, you ever talk about Movado.
But you saw me I try to tell the people the money a madman, you know. I don't know where Movado dropping at this, you know. I don't know where Movado dropping at this, brother. We see what Movado do. Movado bring in the melody in the music and certain little things. You see it? Him go up on the international market and thing. You see it? Of course, remember, Movado do great moves. But that not take nothing from Alkaline thing, brother. You understand? That not take nothing from Alkaline thing. You see what I try to say?
Alkaline reach nowhere and Movado put this class all now.
Brother, let me tell you this. The 2 artists them are do great. Zine, and you have to remember say, look here. Movado do him thing. DJ Khaled take him up in him hand and make him know some people. Zine, him put him in the stream, him put him up there. For say, yo, get this and rare. Put him up there, bro. We now go take that, the talent where the man have and thing, bro. Zine, but it's so ridiculous, the comparison we now make, bro. Remember, say, Movado in a game before Alkaline, brother. You understand? But as me say, how much artists I do it? How much artists I do what Alkaline I do, bro? That me I talk about. Since you say Alkaline are great, how much artists I do what him I do? Keep him show worldwide a sold out arena. Him fans them a forward. How much artists I do that?
So you have to just understand that. We just respect Alkaline as a star. Alkaline is just one of them artists that were dead and then in position just like another artist. Yeah.
So this is the point where you go reach now. Zine, this is the point now where you go reach, you know. So you say Alkaline is just a regular artist, in that. Fine, you know. Zane, fine. Now you man are perfect. So when Alkaline he found out and say Cartel, him rate Cartel like any other artist. Why you no feel like Alkaline this Cartel? That me I wonder. Since you say him just like regular artists or what do them thing. Why when him say that with Cartel, you seem to see it that way. But why when Alkaline say it and in a film opinion or whatsoever, una react on this as same as this Cartel. So where we for say now, yeah, this Alkaline then. Because enough of them artists are not dip on Alkaline level. You understand? Enough of them not dip on Alkaline level, bro. You see what me I try to say? So me don't know what you really I say.
I mean, Alkaline is just a spice to the game. Alkaline reach greatness to Ninja Man and greatness and Shabba them.
Brother, yo, people, this is when you want to bring down an artist and you try use, you da call it say, yo, seem like when Alkaline forward out people and they must say, yo, Alkaline I tried this or before him. So him a go compare Alkaline with Shabba Ranks and Ninja Man. Them man we had beat years before Alkaline. Alkaline maybe not even born yet, you know. You see how them man reason with things? Him now compare Zane. Everybody knows Alkaline reach pan them man they left. Them man they been a do it. But because they want belittle and put fame rate pan a high thing. Zane, fame rate pan a high thing. If you say, yo, him not reach them level yet and ray. I will know why them man they reach certain level, brother. You understand? Alkaline I do him thing by himself and I get there, bro. If a time it go take a time because every other artist it take time for them reach with them there. You understand? So, I don't know what you talk about, bro.
Greatness. Not in a reach move on. If I in the past, move on in the past. No, in the past, nobody yet, you know. One of them still in another line there, you know. Alkaline, Conscience, Massacre. You can't name them. They don't reach nowhere in no greatness yet. It's me, so they don't reach, they don't come.
I don't know how come Conscience dropping at this, you know, bro. I don't know how Conscience dropping at this. Yeah, I say Massacre. Well, me understand with Massacre because we see it. Massacre been getting strength and certain little things. You understand? I mean, no Massacre not depend the level of Alkaline depend. We not try boots up theme thing, you know, because we don't know same depend the Gaza side, so we not go give him that strength to the highlight there and whatever thing, but him still not reach my Alkaline thing. You understand? There's a lot of evidence there.
To that level there. The last two set of great artists is Movado and started. We're going with
brother. Yeah. Cartel great. We not take that Movado great. But you can't come say the last two great artists are Movado and Cartel, brother. You understand? Cause me not understand what you signify as great. Is what me I try to say? Because at the end of the day, the man them do a clash. Movado go so, Cartel go prison. You understand? The work put in and certain little things, bro. But you can't say the last two great artists are Movado and you're mad. You're sick in your head, brother. You can't do that. You don't have the credibility to say that, bro. You're just an MC. You understand? You can't say that. You see it? A lot of people out there can tell, so we are talking about Alkaline do the work. We are talking about. After Cartel go prison, who did I mash up the place? Who keep the pace going? Who relevant up till today? How much of them name call today we boss back then? How much of them name call now? How much of them I do Alkaline I do? We boss in a Alkaline time. Bro, some of the time on the reason do not sense, you know.
greatness round here. You understand? In the dancehall arena. See? Them up on a baby step, you know. They're not going nowhere tonight thing. You can't call them no great artists. You my daddy, you mash up the thing. Yeah, when you say greatness, I go on. The last two great artists in the dancehall is 5 stars. I'm a father. You know what I mean? I'll call baby to the thing, brother.
I don't know what you talk about, you know, brother. You say Alkaline a baby to the thing. Chado. Alkaline a baby to the thing, or you mean young to the thing? Come and know what you talk about baby, brother. Because as me say, count how much artists in a dancehall where and make the moves that Alkaline a make. Count how much in a dancehall. Zine, count how much moves, bro. In a Alkaline time when him boss. Me a talk in a Alkaline time. Zine, when him boss. Coming up to know how much artists I do it.
You need more work. You don't do nothing. Lyrical business me a talk about. Alkaline is no lyrical genius more than Shane O. I'm not accent.
Ah boy, brother, me don't know. Yo, Alkaline is no lyrical way to Shane O. Where the proof there? For say Shane O lyrical. Cause, bro, me don't know what to get, bro. You see, alright, this is the thing. If Shane O and Alkaline for go court, what's the evidence them a go show? Who and who? What's the evidence Shane O go show to the judge as evidence say more lyrical than Alkaline? Tell me now. Bro, everybody see what Alkaline do with Popcorn, him go off a Cartel, Zine, him do with the six them. What you talk about, brother? You can't use things where you seems your opinion. Because we know you're Gaza, man. Your opinion for say, yo, Alkaline more lyrical. Where's the evidence with that?
That me know that personally. It's just that everybody have a different standard and level of all the music. It's not the lyrics care. Alkaline there alone. It's the type of things them when do and you look at something them and look at extra things them.
So alright. You say I know really you move the goalpost now, you know, Nuffy. You move the goalpost now, you know. Because you are gonna say Alkaline and the lyrics alone, Alkaline I use but other things like what? Other things like what? Only no see Alkaline pan the media. Only thing in the era Alkaline music, brother. Alkaline pan media jump every day and this and back and forth with people. So what you talk about do other things. Uno been known Alkaline with music. Uno no see the youth lifestyle. Uno no see him private life. Uno no see him woman. No see him pitney them. Uno no see nothing. The youth no put that pan the media and only thing uno hear is in music. So what you talk about do other things.
No, do not. Alkaline now say no different lyrics than what Shane O would have said.
But what's the lyrics? What's the lyrics? Because I have a correct on you know. What's the lyrics where Shane O say? Where Alkaline now say? Me not understand, bro. Like, yo, we are telling you that, bro. Them money I love just come up with things, you know. You know, me realize when it comes to Alkaline, them just say things, but them now no evidence for sure. Yeah, say Shane O more lyrical, but where's the evidence for saying lyrical? When do in a dancer for saying more lyrical than Alkaline, brother?
We don't understand about lyrics, you know. It's all Shane O lyrical, Gage lyrical too. But listening to Shane O and Gage have your laugh in at it war more, Gage sound more like the real murderer in the war. You understand?
Why, may I tell you, brother. You say Shane O sound more real and Gage make you laugh and Gage make you so whatsoever make you sound real in the war. Boy, may I tell you to rot it. Me not understand what you mean by that, you know, brother. Anybody can tell you about Alkaline when it comes to lyrical and step into people, brother. For a one man, we a war 3 man, brother. And everybody can tell us, yo, Alkaline do him damage with the 6 them. When Alkaline deal with the 6 them, bro. After that, the 6 them thing water down after that, brother. One gone, so the momentum gone. You understand? Remember, a man them usually say, if you not say 6 no girl no want you. Right now, if you say 6 no girl no want you. You understand?
They can't get the real feelings out of the war. But for another hand, Shane O is the greater writer. That we don't understand, you know.
Bro, wait, you still a say Shane O the greater writer. Where is the evidence to say Shane O the greater writer? Where is the project? What happened? Una say Shane O lyrical, greater writer. But bro, how much each song Shane O have in a dancehall, brother? How much each song Shane O have in a dancehall? If you say him a the great writer. Bro, when now settings have proved it. Stop talking about man this and that and Ray. We can say Alkaline lyrical and him write better because we see the song them. We see the song them over years when him drop. And it said impact in a dancehall too, brother. No do that.
Alkaline, a great writer too, but at the same time, him come with things with it.
Yo, me I tell you about them man, you know. Him and Alkaline a great writer too, but him come with things with it. What's the things? Explain what is the things where Alkaline come with. Brother, you see me I try to tell the people, you can't listen to them man, you know. You can't listen to them man, because them don't know to explain nothing.
Then, to keep him popularity and win fans.
What you mean by keep popularity? Bro, Alkaline do social media, bro. So what you mean by keep popularity? Me not understand. Me not understand what you say what Alkaline do, bro. More than the man just release music.
And the fans with Alkaline win now, not being the friend with Vybz Kartel, being the friend with Mova.
People, you hear what him say a while ago? Him say, Alkaline have him fans not being friend with Vybz Kartel, but being friends with Movado. Me don't know how that Japan.
And get most of Movado fans then.
Brother, me don't know what you talk about fans and Movado. Bro, let me tell you this. Movado have theme fans and Alkaline have theme fans, bro. You understand? The man have him fans. The man build him fan base, brother. You see what me I try to say? The man build him fan base. You see it? Him build him thing. That's a one thing, bro. You notice only 2 fan base here talk about a vendetta and Gaza right now? Alkaline build him thing, brother. You understand?
From him, and him have Movado fans them, you know. Movado still have him fans them, you know, but him capitalize with the local fans with Movado fans because he wants somebody who can defend the opposite side. Remember, that's right, you know. Right and left and right.
Brother, me not understand what y'all talk about life and ref. You come like say you look like you're the driving school or where you at the driving lesson. I mean, I understand with this left-right business, you know, brother.
See? I always remember that. Melody, yeah, come with melody and flow too. You understand? So me not kill Alkaline because I tell you, say, he's not one of the great artists.
Brother, you don't kill him man already. You say man not great and all of these something, bro. You understand? You can't come say that, brother. You see it? Because if him never great, you wouldn't even talk about him right now.
That's the talking about. He will reach the level, he never catch up.
I don't know, in the pan catch up, okay.
He don't reach nowhere there for you. Because if a bit move himself, if you put squash in our venue by himself, you see squash do it the other day. Like a squash that keep him, when Alkaline do the other day when saying keep him show runs and I will pop him. If you put squash there right now, squash the man there. Like,
brother, I don't know what you talk about squash, you know. When it comes to coming toward pulling crowd, squash is not in that, bro. Stop it. Squash don't really have the fans with that, brother. Right now, Gaza people are push squash thing, brother. You understand? Gaza people. Squash don't really have fans like that, bro. Stop it. Stop it, bro.
Alkaline, they can bring out fans. See? Then if Alkaline...
But you say Alkaline not great, but him can bring out fans. Me not understand, bro. Yo. Me not understand, brother. Yo, the money.
I'm gonna be the next thing already, now gonna be it again, brother. In book.
You say Alkaline buck. Where is the proof for that, if you say Alkaline buck? An artist will buck. You know, you hear nothing about them. Them nobody now book them again or whatsoever, bro. What you talk about? What you talk about? Alkaline the stands with you. Alkaline have sold out arena in the UK with you. What you talk about? The youth have him show coming at Jamaica. All a book, all of that. Bro, you have to stop it, you know, bro. You have to stop it.
And that you don't know. Alkaline book. If squash never do what they you hear about Alkaline back, you know.
Brother, what you talk about?
Can't be that.
What you talk about?
And that die down, you know.
What do you mean by if squash never do with Alkaline Ray, he would have die out? I don't understand, bro. Bro, Alkaline bust before squash, brother. Zane? So, what you talk about? Alkaline been a drop hits. What you talk about? When squash bust, brother, a Gaza thing squash use. What you talk about? A Gaza uplift squash thing. What you talk about? Squash not really have fans of the Gaza thing. A cartel highlight him. What you talk about?
And then that die down, you know.
I don't know why every day you talk about Alkaline die down, and Ray. And the youth still have him shows and a solo show and I do him things see me. What you mean by die down? How much artists in a dance hall where you can't even talk them now do no show nothing? What you talk about?
Die down. Just as though every day would have said to squash it. Right now if you take on the same match work contract, if you take on Alkaline, I believe I go build him back in a car, die down,
Brother, we have to stop it. Stop it. What you mean by every day tell Squash say him see say Alkaline a throw jams? Bro, stop it, brother. Stop it, bro. Squash did I do that, bro? What you mean by, bro, you know no sense. No sense you have, bro. Every day want a strength for Squash thing, so him tell Squash say, yo, go off of Alkaline. You understand? Because Alkaline never want those things. So them send Squash off of Alkaline, brother. Stop it, bro. What you mean by die down? Alkaline give Squash them strength, bro. Remember say them man the boss wet there. Him now no strength for himself. A Gaza push him thing. Every day did that look strength, brother. What you talk about? See where they them show couldn't keep and Alkaline then say then link. Much people are say Alkaline. If you make Alkaline do his show like our cartel, stop it, bro. Every day they want uplift Squash thing. So him tell him say, yo, go off for Alkaline. And Alkaline still damage them same way. You understand? Still damage them.
Die down. Yes, Squash must have a lot to do, brother. Squash not just coming like.
Yes, man. As somebody in a comment them say, yo, Squash have more work for do, you know. So here I talk about Ray. Bro, you're a joke thing, you know, brother.
Yeah, man. But we say, Squash move faster than him.
Brother, Squash can't move faster than Alkaline, brother. Can't move faster than Alkaline, bro. You understand? Squash sang them when having a dance hall. A one topic. Scamming. That's all, bro. That's all. Just scamming and them something there. You see what me actually, him not really have nothing, bro. Where you go bring up Squash against Alkaline and nothing? Squash not really do nothing, brother. What you talk about?
Squash move faster than Alkaline. Squash,
yeah, say Squash move fast like Alkaline. Stop it, bro. Because the only reason why you go bring up Squash through the Gaza thing did that push Squash, bro. What you talk about Squash move faster than Alkaline? If Squash never forward and say, yo, Gaza, nobody wouldn't even look on him, brother. A Gaza strength him I use. What you talk about?
He's one of the fastest rising artists which draw a crowd quick.
I don't know what you talk about, you know.
You hear me tell you? Squash is the fastest rising. Squash never gonna hear yet in their career, you know. Squash not gonna hear yet in their career, you know, daddy. Who for fame Alkaline take away? Alkaline take nobody fame, daddy, man. Squash still a trend, brother. Squash
still a trend, yes. A trending artist. Yeah, man. Views are buying one bag of thing. That's all I talk about. Trend. I don't understand.
If you can't Squash, if you can't Squash right now, got any show, he might full up the venue. And he might.
Well, you can talk, you know, but there's no evidence for that.
Trend right now. But me explain to you as a man in a business a long time. Squash have the youngest career and pull the most crowd fast. You just went on some fest.
Brother, you are going to say Squash pull the most crowd fast, right? If you don't see what him do Sunfest. So wait. So that means a Squash alone pull crowd at Sunfest? So wait. If the show them what did I go on before Squash bus at Sunfest? Who did I pull them crowd there? Who the people them did I come out? Me did think say Sunfest found out to see more than one artist. Me never know say a one artist alone people come at Sunfest for watch. Really watch. You understand? Me never know of that. Because you go see a man a pull a crowd. But Sunfest been keeping before Squash bus. Me not understand. I saw you say man pull crowd and I saw it go, brother. Crowd there Sunfest long time before Squash bus, brother. Not do that. That and not pull nothing, brother.
Alkaline never do that yet. It take him a while before he did about year.
Bro, you gonna say the man, you know the sense, you know. You are gonna say Alkaline not do it yet. It take him a while. But I saw it go with every dancehall artist, brother. What you talk about? It take them a while to reach to that point then at the game where them can pull them fans. What you talk about? You a say Alkaline do that, but it take him a while. Me not understand. When Squash Boss, which crowd him did a pull? More than that do Sunfest. And him look up bookings them. When you talk, bro, when you talk about crowd pull, bro, I wrong man you put in the equation, brother. Stop it, bro. Stop it. Cause we know you're Gaza man and Squash rep the Gaza. We know you try to enlighten him thing. I remember say, you know, you work for every day over Sting. Back in a them time, they saw, and every day I push him thing. Every day your boss. So you try to push up Squash, bro. You see when bring down artists, talk with facts, brother.
Before you do it. So you have to respect Squash.
So like how you can respect, like how you want people to respect Squash, so why people not to respect Alkaline? I don't understand. Respect for go out to one set of person, but no respect for Alkaline. I saw no work.
Squash is a person you have to respect, you know.
Yeah man, but people, me tell you how them man are reasoning, you know, and me gotta tell you, you know, me just gotta always expose them. You know, cause enough of them say them know about music, but them don't know nothing about music. When them a reason with biasness and who a give them strength and who them rep. But you don't know in the media facts and I'm come for talk facts. You understand? I'm not care when nobody wants to say, cause we don't have no fans too. And we have the haters them same way. And I saw the thing set. You understand? Yeah man. I just saw the thing set. That is it.